Okay, today we're talking Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder, and for good reason. As you can see here, it's the #1 bestseller on Amazon.com with a rating of 4.7 out of 5, with a whopping 204,877 total ratings as of today, October 14th, 2023. I've got to say, this stuff is a flavor fiesta for your taste buds. The chocolate and peanut butter combo, winner, no doubt. And you know how it goes. Drinking protein shakes every day can get real dull real quick. But this one, it never made me cringe. I'd say go for the flavor, folks. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Mixing this protein powder, well, it's like trying to tame a wild bull. I mean, I used a top-notch shaker bottle, and it still gave me a run for my money. It's got a clumping habit, making it a chunky party instead of that silky, smooth vibe you're after. I was using this while keeping it clean with the diet, mixing it in a shaker bottle every morning, and man, it just wouldn't behave. So here's the deal. If taste is your ultimate jam and you're up for the challenge of wrestling with clumps, give this protein powder a whirl. If you're the blending type, no worries, it'll play nice. But if you're all about that quick and easy mix, maybe snoop around for other options. Your call.